Hey, for today's free marathon product, I'm going to create Halloween earrings laser design. Free download in the description. You can download more Halloween earrings on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month. In order to assemble this design, I need nail file, acrylic markers, French hooks for earrings. First, you need to use sandpaper to clean the earrings and remove any excess. I'm doing this for 2 earrings. After that, I paint the earrings with black and red and pink markers. You can use any colors you like. Final step is to put French hooks to earrings. Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download this free laser design and many more via link in the description. You can download more Halloween earrings on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month. Please subscribe to my social media so you don't miss out on the free design marathon that will be running from October 1st to 7th.